Welcome, and we have the car of the day. Let's take a look. Okay guys, we want to remove the seat, the front seat from the Mini Cooper, the Countryman. I believe most Mini Coopers are gonna be the same way. So all you're gonna need, guys, for this job in this particular vehicle is the Torx 40, and I have my swivel extension for this job because I use in the impact driver. You can just use a ratchet, no problem. And I have those pliers just in case that the plug give me a little bit of a headache. So I'm gonna move the seat all the way to the back and then expose the bolts so I can go with my Torx 45 and remove the bolt. Just like so. Same operation in the other side. Now we're gonna move our seat all the way forward so we can expose the rear bolts. Once you have those out, then we're gonna proceed to put the seat back again. I'm gonna lift like this, guys. Down here you're gonna have the plug. It's a single plug for this vehicle. Now in the side right here there is a black support for this. Let me try to set this camera right here so I can show you how that works. So you have the plug right there, and we want to pull this black clip right here. Sometimes you can pull it with your finger, sometimes it's not that easy. And that's it, guys. That's how you remove the plug. It's just this little thing right there. And now you can get your seat out. The techniques we demonstrate in the past, how to get it out. If you cannot do it in one piece, you can remove the headrest, and that will make it more simple. So I'm gonna try to demonstrate to you guys how it's done. Let me see if I can do it here with the camera. So I can show you the process more or less. So I'm gonna fold it on the side. I'm gonna lift the steering wheel up so I can get that seat out. That's one way to do it. There is many ways. So if you have questions, please put it in the comments. I'll continue in the next video with the rear section. Okay guys, now we are here in the back, and I want to show you the moldings. It has only these two prongs right here. That's all it holds, the molding. So you're gonna need your clip puller for that. This one right here. We're gonna use a 16 socket, 16 millimeters for the rear, and the Torx 50 for the front. So let's get those moldings off first. Takes one. It's just two nuts on the back, very straightforward. You don't have to struggle with that. It's just two. And there you have it, guys. Now it's just getting it off the vehicle, and that was your removal for the rear seat. Obviously the little one in the other side is exactly the same process. Have questions, please put it in the comments. Okay guys, now you want to remove your lid because you want to change the color on top, or you just want to replace it. All you gotta do is open it up. Once it's open like this, what you have to do is pry underneath with your tool, and it will pop just like that. Now this mechanism, guys, is only have these tabs. It's 3 in the front, 1 2 3, and 2 in the back, here and here. And let me show you here, these are the clips that you are looking for. 1 right here, 2 and 3, 2 in the back, 1 and 2. So when you put it back on, you gotta be sure that it goes into the slit. It's all it takes. Is not that complex, very simple. Now when it comes to the upholstery, all you gotta do is remove that staples for that vinyl and put the leather of the vinyl, the new vinyl, back in place. That was all it was, guys, and that's the removal and reinstallation for your console lid in the 2015 Mini Cooper. If you know any better way, put it in the comments, and if you have questions, put them there too. Like and subscribe. See you guys in the next video.